Hey guys, so I got the 81 LeBaron all waiting here for next weekend, Father's Day, with the car show in Mission, BC, Old Car Sunday in the park. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to put a permit on it for Saturday and Sunday, polish it up on Saturday and bring it home, and then take it there in the morning. So I've done a lot of polishing on the paint and cleaning and just miscellaneous stuff. This coyote's howling in the ravine in the middle of the day. Interior is looking pretty nice these days. Show you under the hood. It's just a little dusty from being under the trees, but the paint I've really polished it a lot, and it's come up quite nice compared to when I first got it. It was quite bad when I first got it. So as you can see, the original insulation is still under the hood, and over time I've cleaned the motor and then I've dressed it. I don't know if I want to do any painting or this or that or whatever. I just like the original condition. Like the motor's pretty much degreased, and I've cleaned off the valve cover. I don't know. It's good. It doesn't leak. It's on there. It's clean. I have my reserves because if I want to go monkeying around there and try to take it off to paint, then I put it back on and I don't get it right and it leaks and it wasn't the same before, and I don't know, maybe somebody out there thinks differently, but I'm thinking if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Everything works fine. The only thing I'd probably do is change the hoses and the belts and all that kind of stuff, suck out the old fluid, brake fluid and stuff, and other than that though, I mean, it's pretty nice. Got my signs all made out for the car show. 81 LeBaron. Gives a little brief, touches on the history of the car and just kind of touches on like the M-body platform and so on and so forth. Start the car. Runs nice and quiet. Got my nice floor mats and my nice carpet's like new under there. You know what, a nice upgrade. For the reason I like this LeBaron is because it has like the courtesy lights in all the doors, whereas a Diplomat I don't believe would have that unless it was like an SE or something. And you know what? A nice upgrade is Dodge Caravan LE courtesy light lenses. These ones originally were those white material, which is very flimsy like this. But this is the newer style, a clear, semi-clear, opaque or whatever lenses, and they look quite nice.
And Randy was to me, probably the first person in my life that was honest, I believe, in hindsight, looking back.
He called you up, wanted to see you.
Yeah, he wanted to thank me and Peggy for our involvement in the school, and
smooth and easy. Seattle 650.
Hans here from Maple Ridge, Abbotsford, and Chittiwack Volkswagen. It's time for Hans to get a new car.
So anyways, guys, this is a quick review of my LeBaron, a little bit nicer than you saw in the last video. Running pretty nice. Just waiting for next weekend for the car show. So take care and comment and let me know what you think. Ciao.